Hello guys, welcome. So this is how the trading view looks like on Deriv X. A few days ago, I got an email from Deriv announcing that they've added trading view to their trading platform, Deriv X. I have not used Deriv X before, but I love the way trading view looks like. So since um, Deriv X is now going to be working with TradingView, which I think they announced it in their webinar. I attended the last webinar for their partners, because for their affiliates, and they mentioned it there that they are actually working on that. That in coming days we are going to see TradingView. We're going to be able to access the chart on TradingView. The chart you are looking at now, this is from 1000 index on TradingView. All right. So if I switch this to the 1 minute time frame, you will understand what I'm talking about. Just hold on for it to load. So this is TradingView. All right. This is the X. What I just did, I create an account, the Deriv X account, because I have never used the Deriv X to trade before. I've been using MT5 to trade. The reason I'm using MT5 to trade is because the spread is 0.1. Okay, that's the spread there. But for here, the Deriv X, I think, is 0.5. You get, and I've never experienced it. I've never used the Deriv X to trade. I've simply been using MT5 to analyze and to place my trades. I decided to transfer $78. You can see it at the top here, $78.91. That's $78.91. Okay, so, and this is trade. So I'll be using this money to test Deriv X and see how it will look like. From time to time, I'll be updating you guys to see the state of this account. If I lose it, I'll lose it. If I grow it, I grow it. So I'm just using this $78 to test the platform and see how it works. Okay. So in the coming days, let me say by October ending, I want to see how much I'm able to take this account, if I can double it or even multiply it as many times as possible. Because one of the beauty of the Deriv is that you are able to trade with little money and make a lot of money. Okay. That dream I just showed you now does not work for everybody. You must have already gotten a strategy that works for you. You must have known what you are doing before you can talk like that. Okay. Now I'm actually on a trade now. I just entered this trade. The beauty of this Deriv X is this. It's just so easy to analyze. It's very, very nice. I can see the chart and move it however I like. Placing trade is just so wonderful. You can see the trade I just entered now. The loss is 0.2. I'm on 1000 and I'm risking $14. That's 14.13. I'm targeting 64. Okay, so you can bring out your measuring tool so that you know how many ratio. Okay, the ratio of this is what? Let me see of this trade. I see it here. That's 1:4.9. So I'm targeting 1:4.9. So I'm risking 14 for 64.08. So let's see how it plays out. Okay, and one of the reasons why I prefer TradingView to any platform is because of the alert system. Alert. You can see the two here. Alerts. You can set alert. Okay, I actually set alert for this from 1000. Price got here, and I decided to place a trade. Now, why do I use alert? I use alert in case I'm not going to be sitting on the system. All right, I'm not going to be sitting on the system, so I use alert. I use it to notify myself about the trades that I'm expecting to play out. And since I will not be there to monitor the trade physically, I need to set the alert. It will send it on my phone, send it to your email. That's the way TradingView normally does their alert system, and it's one of the best feature of trading platform that I've ever used. It makes trading very simple. You don't have to be there, even if you are no longer online. I mean, you have shut down your system and you are away, very far away. The whole thing works seamlessly, and you can set the alert to your phone. The alert can be sent to your phone, and you place a trade while you are there. So I love the alert system, and I love how that every time you just analyze and make the charts easy. And another thing is that this chart is customizable. You can customize it however you want. Okay, like this trading now, if I want to remove the trading position, I can remove it. If I want to remove the orders, I can remove them. Okay, so you won't know that there's a trade there, but there is. Okay, so you can set it however you want. You can set the colors, you can put the amount, you can not put the amount. This is take profit, this is stop loss. All right. So, but if you want to put the profit target, you can see there now to change to 64.14. But if I press here now to put profit and stop loss, then this arrow, I can remove this arrow that indicates the executions. So, and this is so good because I don't think you can fake this type of account. I don't know whether people can fake it. I don't know how to do that, but I don't think you can fake this account. And this is my live account, like I just mentioned already. It's live account. You can see it written up here, live account. And let's see how we take this $78.90. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I don't know what your thoughts are about trading Deriv X, but for me, it's a nice experience. At least my trade, I'm going to be seeing what. So the trade I'm on currently, I'm losing. My PNL as a profit and loss is 3.92 minus 3.94. So and then my use margin is 6.59, free margin is 68, and is my margin level. So it's actually so nice. Okay, maybe you can try it out and do for yourself. But me, I'm testing it out. I want to see how it looks. For this trade I'm on, I'm expecting this trade to go up to this level. Goodbye. It can be wrong, but let's test it out. All right, let me meet you again. Happy trading.